Aircraft taking off or landing at small airports in Europe may in the future be guided by controllers sitting at desks hundreds of miles away, if tests being carried out in Sweden, Norway, and Australia are conclusive. Airport control towers are quite labor-intensive. It takes 6 or 7 people just to keep one seat warm 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Specially built unmanned towers using batteries of cameras and sensors can get the job done just as safely, according to Swedish aero defense company Saab. Saab has developed a remote tower system and is testing it with Sweden's state-controlled air navigation services company, LFV. Of course, no one's suggesting that air traffic will ever be totally automated. The remote towers could be operated by qualified controllers sitting in centers hundreds of miles away. They'll follow what's going on at the remote airport on large screens and will manage planes arriving and departing. One controller could potentially operate a handful of airports. The experiment is part of a broader effort by the EU to create a so-called single European sky to make air traffic more efficient. Saab and LFV say the system is good for small airports with only a few aircraft movements a day and where a full-time manned control tower isn't justified economically. Air traffic controllers unions are watching these developments closely and are wary about safety issues and potential job losses if one day their eyes and ears are replaced by cameras and sensors. This is David Pearson of the Wall Street Journal.